Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Chalan.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. Now we'll start with section C.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anindya, Aparna,
Present, ma'am.
Harapriya, Lagnajit,
I'm absent.
Manisha,
Ma'am, I'm
Present,
present.
ma'am.
Nivedita,
Present, ma'am.
Pratyusa.
Present, ma'am.
It's Pratyasa or Pratyusa?
Ma'am, it's Pratyasha.
Okay, Pratyasa. Now Priyanka Sahu,
Present, ma'am.
Reena Panna, Rima absent, Saloni, Shraddhanjali, Sneha,
Present, ma'am.
Shubhra,
Present, ma'am.
Ravi,
Present, ma'am.
Susri, Tamanna,
Present, ma'am.
Vijeta. Vijeta, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Abhas,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Adhikari,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Om Pradhan, Aditya Om Pradhan, Ansul Mahanti,
Present, ma'am.
Ansuman Pradhan,
Present, ma'am.
Asutosh Aryaman, I could see you, Asutosh. Asutosh
Present,
Dupal,
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Present,
Asutosh Dupal,
present, ma'am.
Atman Chintak, Atman, Ayush Kes, Bhupesh,
Present, ma'am.
Ranjan, Krishna,
Present, ma'am.
Arshit Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Jaydev,
Present, ma'am.
Mukesh,
Present, ma'am.
Nirmal,
Present, ma'am.
Piyush,
Present, ma'am.
Pratyush,
Present,
Roshan,
ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Satyam Nayak, Shumit, Suplas,
Present,
Binay,
ma'am.
who present? Suplas or
Present, ma'am.
who?
Yes,
Suplas.
ma'am. Suplas. Suplas.
And what about Binay? Binay, are you
I'm
present?
present.
I can't see your face.
Yes, ma'am.
Priyadarshini. Priyadarshini, are you there? No. Now Shambhavi section F. Shambhavi,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Ruchi,
Present, ma'am.
Jigyasa. Jigyasa, are you there? Haripriya,
Present, ma'am.
Anubha,
Present, ma'am.
Abhishek Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Atirup,
Present, ma'am.
Ansuman Sahu,
Present, ma'am.
Soumya Ranjan,
Present, ma'am.
Ronak, Ronak, are you there? Rupam Bhaiya, Jit Singh. Rupam, I can't see your face, only name I could see. Jagjit. Jagjit, are you there? Varun.
Present, ma'am.
Jaydev. Jaydeep. Jaydeep, are you there? Yes, Satyam, I marked you. Jaydeep, are you there? Jaydeep, please mute. Jaydeep, present or not? Varun, I marked you present. Jaydeep. Okay, Jaydeep not there. Today total 44 are present. I don't know at the end of the day how many would be there. Okay. Now coming to 8.10, that is converse of 8.9. That day, whatever questions I had given you, first day I gave you 12 questions. You said you could not see again. I sent it through WhatsApp. You got it. And then the next day I gave you 5 questions. Children were asking me day before yesterday the doubts. So number 12, could you do it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 12 of 7th. Could you do it? Could you do it? Question number 12. No answers. Am I audible to you or not?
Yes, ma'am.
First 12 questions which was given on 7th. Could you complete all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to the next day's 8, the extra 5 questions. Time was up. It was asked question number 1, 4 and 5. Who all were having doubt? I'll solve it now because yesterday it was suspended because of Janmashtami. Ma'am, please mute all. All are shouting, isn't it?
Your voice is repeating.
Now, Cholan, will I go to question number 1 of 8? Prove that the 2 lines. Who is that? Some children unmuted and did not mute it. That is why it is echoing. Mute all your mics, children.
Pratyush, please mute the mic.
Mute.
In the participation box, you have all mute option. Please mute everyone.
Shalan, I'm going to mute all your mics. If you want to speak, you unmute, you speak to me, and then again you mute it. You unmute, speak, mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible
Yes.
clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because this all technology today, like the net was not getting connected. We got 2-3 minutes late today. So you have to be very prompt in joining and then asking me questions or your doubts. Whatever question I give you. Who is this Anubhav? Which section?
Ma'am, F.
F. You came late.
No, ma'am, I came now. Ma'am, I was there from the.
Beginning you are there.
Yes,
Did I
ma'am.
mark you present? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now somebody left again joined. Anyhow, leave it. Tell me now question number 1. Prove that the two lines that are respectively perpendicular to two parallel lines are parallel to each other. Could you do it? Am I clearly audible to you now?
Ma'am, can you please?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Now tell me question number 1. If you would have done, then tell me yes, otherwise I will do for you. Because section A and B, they keep on asking doubts for these questions. Do not get scared. Ma'am is not going to tell you that why couldn't you do it. If you can't do, then I'll do for you. No harm. That is why extra questions are given.
Ma'am, from extra questions.
Yes. What am I asking?
I'm done.
Question number 1 is done.
Yes,
2.
ma'am. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 2 over.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
For everybody
ma'am.
or 1 or 2 are only interacting.
Yes, ma'am.
Will I accept it for all?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then number 3. Question number 3.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Number
Yes,
4.
ma'am. I'm done.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Number 5.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
also done.
Yes,
Because these are the doubt
ma'am,
questions
done.
for section A and B. That is why I asked before I go to do any extra theorem that should be at par for all the sections. So today I'm going to give
Yes,
you
ma'am.
some extra questions which you will able to do. And today I will clear the doubts because yesterday it was suspended. So today I'll clear. Tomorrow we'll do 8.10. Full period I need to explain it to you. Today,
Okay, ma'am.
the beginning only, it was a problem to get connected for this net. Anyhow, now ready to write some extra questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The
Yes,
moment I'll complete dictating, you just tell me that whether you will able to do or not, so that I'll move forward. I'll draw the figure on the board. Just copy it down. Is the board visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clearly visible? Wherever
Yeah,
figures
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
draw the figure, just copy down them and then write whatever to be written. First of all, question number 1, write down. You have been given with a line P. You know, with small alphabets we name the lines. Is it known to you or not?
Yes, ma'am.
With small English alphabet we can name a line. Now on that, we will take a point C on which BC and BCD are two other rays resting on C, whereas the angles are x plus 7 degree x plus 20 degree. Is it clearly visible? I'll write it down. I'll dictate you, don't worry. Then the left out is x plus 3. Is it visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now name this line. It's already I have named. I can name any line by 2 means. I may take 2 points with capital English alphabet, or the full line can be named with a small English alphabet. Is this much known to you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now write down BC and DC BC and DC are 2 rays having common point on having common point C. On the line B, if angle DC, let me name it, otherwise naming the angles will be difficult for you. Okay, let me take EF. Write down. If angle DCF equal to x plus 7 degree, angle BCD equal to x plus 20 degree.
Ma'am, please repeat.
What angle values?
Ma'am, from if
angle DCF equals to x plus 7 degree. Written?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please repeat.
It's given in the figure. Is the figure clear to you on the board, children? From that also you can make out. It's so easy. DCF is x plus 7 degree. BCD is x plus 20 degree. BCE is x plus 3 degree. Find value of x as well as all the 3 angles. Find the value of x as well as all the values of angles if, condition write down, if EF is the line or P is the line, whatever you like you can write. It's a straight line that to be mentioned. The next question number 2. This is your number 1 figure. Question number 2 figure. Now write down. Copy the figure and then write down. In quadrilateral ABCD, is the figure clear to you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
In the quadrilateral ABCD, AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. Angle BDC equals to 40 degree. Angle BAD equals to 75 degree.
ma'am, angle B.
BAD 75 degree. ABD equals to X. CBD equals to Y minus 30 degree. BCD Z degree.
BDC.
BCD is Z degree. While ADB is Y degree. Find the values of X, Y, Z. Now just think for a moment and tell me whether you will be able to do or not. I'll give the hint and then we proceed for the next.
Ma'am, we can do.
You can do fine.
Ma'am, angle BD
Yes,
is equal
yes,
to Y
speak
degree.
louder.
Ma'am, angle BDA is equal to Y
No,
degree.
no, it's not audible. Speak a little louder, children.
Ma'am, BDA is equal to Y degree.
Yes, BDA is Y degree. From the
Thank
figure
you.
it is clear, children. Now, going to question number 3. Just draw the figure and get it here. Find angle ECD. Write down. Find angle ECD if AC perpendicular to CE,
Ma'am,
if AC perpendicular to CE and the angles.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question from the start?
Find angle ECD.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question from the start?
This angle. Visible now? Is it visible, children?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, but could you repeat the question?
Yes, yes, write down. Find angle ECD if AC is perpendicular to CE and in triangle ABC, and in triangle ABC, in angle A is to angle B is to angle C equals to 5:3:2. Over.
Ma'am, can you repeat the
Yes, ma'am.
proportions?
Up to which part you have written?
Ma'am,
ratio.
in triangle ABC, then after that.
Okay, in triangle ABC, angle A is to angle B is to angle C. Right, like this. Angle A is to angle B is to angle C is equal to 5:3:2. Right, like this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Without knowing the condition of the relations among the angles, this angle ECD cannot be found out. So that is very important to know the condition is properly given or not. Otherwise, the question will be incomplete. Understood? Now, will I give you 2 more questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Basing on the figures or without figures? Tell me
Based
fast.
on figures.
With the figures?
And with figures.
Question number 4. From the figure, all the data will be received by you.
Ma'am, angle TQ is equal to 50 degrees.
Could you write? In triangle PQR, write down. Fast. Fast, so that one more question I can give you. In triangle PQR, QT perpendicular to PR. QT perpendicular to PR. Angle TQR equals to 50 degree. And angle SPR equals to 30 degree. SPR and
Ma'am,
SP.
please repeat the question and phone number.
What happened?
Ma'am, please repeat the. Ma'am, please repeat the phone number question.
In triangle PQR, QT perpendicular to PR, written
Yes, ma'am.
angle TQR equals to 50 degree, written
Angle TQR is equal to 50 degree.
yes. Angle SPR equals to 30 degree, 30.
Yes, ma'am.
Find angle QRP equals to X degree.
Find angle
QRP
QRP
equals to X degree
equal to X degree
and angle QSP equals to Y degree.
equal to Y degree. Yes, ma'am.
Now write a little fast, children. Now only 2-3 minutes at the beginning. Today did not get connected. 3 minutes we are late. Anyhow, write down the last question. Again, one more figure I am going to give you. Be a little fast from the figure even you can work out. Number 5. B, B is a line segment.
B is a line segment.
A, B, C is a triangle.
A, B, C is a triangle.
And
Please don't repeat.
Yes. Sorry.
E is a point on D, on AC. E is a point on AC. Will I get it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Little fast, children. Angle AED equals to X degree. AED.
Angle
AED.
ADE.
AED. Where your mind is.
Yes, ma'am.
Concentrate in writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute your mic. If you want to speak, then only you unmute it. Others will be getting disturbed. Ashutosh Aryaman, mute your mic. Now angle AED is X degree. Find the value if BAC 30 degree, ABC 45 degree, EDC 20 degree. Is that over?
The last angle is
BDE 20 degree 20. I'll write it on figure itself. This is 20 degree. And this is 45 degree. And this is your X. This is X. And this angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
is X. AED is X. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now time is up, Chalan. Anything to speak? Tell me, otherwise we'll wind up. Aditya, you are in trouble. Your face tells me. Any question troubling you? Message me if you are facing any trouble in any question, any doubt in any question. Okay? Your face is not happy, it seems. What I can say in this. Now will we wind up or you want to say something, Chalan? We'll end today's class. Doubts of this 5 questions you can send me in message in WhatsApp, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Lagnajita, I have marked you present. Why worried? Today 44 present. Someone is getting disconnected, again getting connected. Anyhow, for today we'll wind up. Time is up, Chalan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Chalan, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.